lawyer. We're talking about pretrial releases with attorney Carl Parrish. Good to see you, as always.
Good to see you.
All right, so what is meant by the term pretrial release?
The pretrial release it helps individuals who have been accused of committing a crime, and also when you get into the process of what's my bond going to be, how much is it going to cost, there's the ability of the courts, as well as the gentlemen and ladies that work in the night down in the courthouse, as to whether they let them go or put them in jail for that time. So they have the ability to allow them to be released, but they have to remain in the community that they live in. It's for those crimes that really aren't the worst ones, but by the same token can still be in a position that somebody that's 18 or younger can be in jail all night before they can get released.
All right, so talk to us about some forms of pretrial release.
Well, what they look at on the forms with the pretrial is every Monday morning or every morning of every week, if the same thing happens. Everybody that didn't get released the night before has to come before the court. They do it via TV, and you have a district attorney there, you have an attorney there, you have everybody, the parents are there, and they have the ability to stand up when their son or their daughter or that individual comes up and sits down. Depending on the crime, if it's primarily misdemeanors, ordinarily they get released. They get released to somebody's care or whatever the case may be. But it saves an awful lot of time as far as the amount of bringing individuals from the jail to the courthouse backwards and forth, and it works out very well.
All right, talk to us about some of the factors that are considered in a pretrial release.
Well, as always in a criminal case, the first thing they look at is what is your history. So if the individual, even though this may be a simple offense or not a serious event, but when they see the fact that this individual has already been there 3 or 4 or 5 times, that individual is not going to be released. So they look at what is their process, what are their prior records, their victims, what they even check to see if they have any communicable disease. They can put them in a separate section for that. What is their history across the board for either obeying the law or not, and especially when drugs and things of that nature are in place.
All right, we're making that the last word. Thank you so much.
Thank
As
you.
always, we appreciate it.